Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on factoring. So far yung pinag-aaralan pa lang natin ay yung factoring polynomials with common monomial factors. No? As we go on in this series, syempre we will be learning more methods of factoring. Let's answer number 1. We have factor 12x squared minus 10x. So pag may mga numbers, pareho ang isang way sa pag-factor, pag may mga numbers other than 1 ay you get the prime factorization of the numbers. For example, yung 12x squared minus 10x, meron tayong dalawang numbers. We have 12 and 10. So what's the prime factorization of 12? That's 2 times 2 times 3, di ba? Tapos meron kang x squared. Pag finactor mo yan, meron kang x times x. And then yung prime factorization ng 10, that's 2 times 5. And then meron kang x. So ano yung common dun sa dalawa? Common yung 2, saka common din yung x. So yan lang, no? Wala nang natira. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin ilabas yan, yung 2 tsaka x, na pag minultiply natin magiging 2x. No? So ang natira sa loob ay yung 2 times 3 times x doon sa first term. So that's 2 times 3 times x. And then you have the minus sign. And then yung sa second term natin, ang natira ay 5. Okay. So that is equal to 2x. Ano ang 2 times 3 times x? That's 6x minus 5. Okay. Again, you can also get the GCF of 12 and 10, no, and the GCF of x squared and x. So this is by prime factorization. By GCF, 12x squared minus 10x. Ano ang GCF ng 12 at saka 10? That's 2, di ba? So, dapat may 2 sa bawat factor. So, 2 times 6. Tapos, ano ang GCF ng x saka x squared? X, di ba? So, this is minus 2 times 5 times x. Common yung x kanila, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang common ay 2 at saka x. 2 at saka x. Which means, sa pag nilabas natin, ang matitira ay 6x tsaka 5. So, this is 6x minus 5. Which is pareho naman doon sa sagot natin sa una. No? This one is 24y squared plus 12y minus 20. Sa number, ano ang mas madali kunin? Ano ang GCF ng 24, 12, tsaka 20? That's 4, di ba? So, pwede nating ilagay yung 4 as factor ng bawat numerical coefficient ng bawat term. No? So, 24 is 4 times 6. Times y squared, and then plus 12y. 12 is 4 times 3. So nakikita nyo yung GCF niya ay 4. GCF or GCD is 4, di ba? Dapat may 4 sa bawat term. And this one minus 4 times 5. 4 natin. Question. Ang y ba ay common factor? Pwede ba natin ilabas yung y? Answer is no, no? Bakit? Kasi yung 20 natin dito, wala siyang y. Wala tayong ma-extract dito pag nag-extract tayo ng kaniyang factor. Kaya ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng y, 4 lang yung pwede natin ilabas. Which means that this is equal to 4 times 6y squared. 6y squared yung natira dito. Ang natira dito ay 3y at ang natira dito ay 5. This is plus 3y minus 5. So, pag distribute mo yan, babalik ka dito. Okay? Pwede nyo i-check on your own. Lastly, we have, or not lastly, but this is the second to the last number. Ano ang GCF ng 6, 15, tsaka 3? Obviously, 3, di ba? So, ano ang GCF ng z to the 4th, z cubed, tsaka z squared? Pag exponent, pag may variable ka na may exponent, yung GCF niya, yung pinakamaliit na exponent. Okay? Yung greatest common factor. So, ang GCF, the GCF of 6, 15, and 3 ay 3, di ba? Tapos yung GCF ng z to the 4th, z cubed, saka z squared, inakasya. Ayaw niya na magsulat. So, the GCF of z squared, z cubed, and z to the 4th is z squared. Okay. So, dapat lahat ng terms may z squared tsaka may 3. Okay, so tingnan natin. We have 6. Dapat may 3, di ba? 6 z to the 4th. Sulat muna natin yung given. Minus 15z cubed plus 3z squared. Dapat may 3 kasi 3 yung GCF natin. So, magiging 3 times 2. Z squared tsaka 3, di ba? 3 times 2 times z squared. Meron pang isa kasi z cubed. So, times z. And then we have a minus. 3 is a GCF. So, dapat 3 times 5. And then, this is supposed to be z squared, no? Ito pala tayo. This is 6 z to the 4 tapos minus 3 times 5. Ang z cube ay z squared times z. Ang yung sa dulo is plus 3 times z squared. Ano ang common? Common ang 3 tsaka z squared. 3 z squared 3 z squared. So, pag nilabas ko yan, we have, ito na tayo, no? That's equal to 3 z squared. Ano ang natira dun sa first term? Meron tayong 2, tsaka meron tayong z squared. Then we have a minus here. Ano ang natira? 5 at saka z. Sa dulo, ano natira? Ang natira ay 1, di ba? So, wag nyo kalimutan yan. Yung iba dyan nagkakamali, naging 0. Bakit siya 1? Kasi, if I multiply this back, dapat 3z squared yung makuha ko. So, when you're factoring, you're actually dividing, no? In fact, we're dividing everything by 3z squared, kaya namawala sila dun sa mga terms. But 3z squared divided by 3z squared is equal to 1. Okay? So, this is the answer. Okay? And lastly, we have a cubed b to the 4th plus a to the 4th b. So, wala tayong word na factor. So, yung a cubed tsaka a to the 4th, ano yung natin? Ano yung common factor natin? Greatest common factor. Yung mas maliit yung exponent, di ba? Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng i-divide yung malaking exponent dun sa maliit na exponent kasi magkakaroon ka ng 1 sa numerator. For example, a cubed divided by a to the fourth, magiging 1 over a ka. Which is hindi pwede. Kaya, ang pipiliin mo pag nag-factor ka ay yung mas maliit na exponent. So, between the two, mas maliit yung a cubed. So, a cubed yung ilalabas mo. Cubed times b to the fourth. Tapos, yung a to the fourth is a cubed times a, di ba? Tapos, meron kang b. Yung between b and b to the fourth, ano ang mas maliit? Yung b, di ba? So, ang b to the fourth is b times b cubed. And ang common ay yung a cubed at ano pa, yung b. So, meaning pwede ko ilabas yan. This is equal to a cubed b. Ano ang natira doon sa first term? That's b cubed. Ano ang natira sa second term? That's a. Okay, so ito yung ating sagot. A cubed b times quantity b cubed plus a. Alright, maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.